content. The unboxing experience hasn't changed. The phone itself, a USB-C cable, paperwork, no charger. Some say it's for the environment, some say it's cost cutting. Either way, you will likely need to buy a separate charger if you don't already own one. What do you think? Is Samsung genuinely being eco-friendly here or just saving money? Now, pricing. Here's where things get serious. The S25 Ultra launches at around $837 to $1,169 internationally. That's very close to the S24 Ultra's launch price. So you are not paying significantly more, which is refreshing in today's market. If you are watching internationally, do the quick math. Compare it to your local currency. You might be surprised. Now I will leave you with this question. Do you think these upgrades are enough to justify switching? Or is it smarter to hold off another year? And if you made this point, you clearly value honest breakdown like this, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button right now. It's completely free and it helps me keep bringing you more phones, more truths and more hidden details. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.